In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Canva code in Wix. First, open your site in the Wix editor. You'll be working directly on the page where you want the Canva design to appear. On the left toolbar, open the options to add elements, then look for the section that lets you embed content. Choose the Embed option and add the HTML element to your page. This places a placeholder frame on your canvas where the Canva design will live. Now switch over to Canva and open the design you want to display on your site. In the top right, click Share. From the sharing options, choose the Embed option and select the live format so the design stays interactive and up to date. Then click Copy to grab the embed code. If you see multiple options, the one labeled Live or Embed HTML is the one you want. Head back to the Wix editor. Click the HTML frame you added so its settings panel opens. In that panel, make sure the mode is set to HTML code, not website address. If you see an input box for code, click inside it and paste the code you copied from Canva. Then click Update or Apply, so the frame refreshes with your design. If the frame still looks empty, double-check the mode is HTML and that you pasted the full code snippet exactly as copied. With the code in place, you can drag the corners of the HTML frame to resize it so your design looks clean and centered. If a scroll bar appears, try increasing the height. Some Canva embeds need a bit more vertical space to display properly. Next, click Preview in Wix to see how it looks on a live page. Interact with the embedded design to confirm it loads and responds as expected. If anything looks off, click back to Editor and adjust the frame size or recheck the code in the settings panel. When you're happy with it, click Publish to push the changes to your live site. Wix will confirm when the site is updated, and you can click Done. It's a good idea to visit your public page in a new browser tab to verify the embed works for visitors and to test it on mobile too. If you need to make changes later, just return to the HTML element, ensure it's in HTML mode, and paste an updated embed code from Canva. That's it. You've successfully embedded a Canva design into your Wix site using the HTML element, previewed it to confirm everything works, and published your changes.